The old roof was about 20 years old. On the north side in particular, it had started growing algae and moss. We knew that we needed at least some repair work. And at that point, we called Stellar, and a gentleman named Mike Dadson came out and looked at the roof, crawled all over it or walked all over it, came down and talked with us, and we decided what to do. This was the second roof that we had put on the house since we've lived here for about 40 years. And the metal roof was basically going to go as long as it needed to, and we wouldn't have to worry again. He came down, we all sat at the dining room table, and he talked about what the problems were, which were greater than what we could observe from the outside. And he showed us, the various options that were possible in terms of asphalt roofing and metal roofing. The asphalt is less expensive, but when you look at the difference and the time the roofs are supposed to last, it really wasn't that different. We thought that he was being very honest and describing the options, showing us what the different options would do and things like that. We thought it was a good presentation and honest. The crew was fantastic, all really nice guys. They worked really hard. Literally, they would get here at 7 o'clock in the morning and not leave until the sun was setting. At night around 7. It would have taken much longer had they not been willing to, work those long days. It does give us peace of mind, and although I understand that Stellar does work in the winter, I'm glad they didn't have to be up there, during that time, and we could get it done. We made the right decision, and we don't have to worry about it again. Everyone I dealt with through the process was really helpful. In your office, and Mari in particular, was helpful with setting things up and answering questions and so on. Danny, as the project manager, was always accessible. Getting a new roof is not an inexpensive project anymore, if it ever was. But yeah, they did a great job, and we were very pleased with the result.